Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying external constraints. Check Roblox server status and any notices, because if servers are down, you can't fix client-side. Once done, reboot your device and router to clear transient network faults, then switch to mobile data to isolate Wi-Fi issues. Make sure the Roblox app is updated and clear its cache or reinstall if updates fail. These first actions remove the most common causes quickly, so you can focus on deeper network or account settings next. Once basic steps are complete, dig into networking and account configuration. You should flush DNS on your PC or toggle airplane mode on mobile to renew network settings. This resolves stale routes. Then inspect firewall and antivirus rules and ensure router NAT is open and UDP/TCP ports used by Roblox aren't blocked. Also check your Roblox account region and any parental or group restrictions that could block service. These measures address routing, blocking, and permission problems that mimic service outages. To finish, isolate the issue by testing another device or account on the same network. If that works, the problem is local to your device. Try a VPN briefly to see if a routing/geolocation issue is causing the error, but disable VPN for regular use. If the issue persists, gather evidence. Timestamps, error messages, network traceroute, and Roblox logs, then contact Roblox support. One key troubleshooting tip: collect a traceroute and power cycle modem/router before support. This saves time and produces actionable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.